So I've been playing around with making this little willow whistle, which is a pretty well-known thing. It's all over the internet. But basically what you're doing is hollowing out a section in this stick and making a virtue of the fact you can slide off these covers. And so it works quite well. And they're pretty sort of robust and work quite well. However, what I haven't seen done is trying to go the next level up and make one which is effectively like a sort of recorder or a flute. And so this is basically inside, and what you've got is a channel where the air is, I guess, resonating, and then you've got actually a sort of grooved cut which is slightly slanted, and that engages with this little section here, which is what sort of I guess sets up the note, the standing wave. And then, as I mentioned, this is the sort of technique of using the willow new bark, which I'm currently in March, and so this is like the perfect season for doing this. And then you basically hit it with a hammer till it comes off, and then you twist it off, as I'll show in previous videos. And then you slide it over and align that little gap with that one as best you can. And then with a bit of fiddling. And then what's nice is, even though this obviously is a long way off being a musical instrument, I think it's just kind of fun to show kids that you have the beginnings of something which is conceivably able to be tuned. So you can. And so I'll be honest, these two bottom notes, not really doing much, but I have got a bit of a bend in my stick. So that could be it. But either way, I just think there's something kind of cool about showing kids that, you know, from 5 minutes whittling, and you have something which is plausible as an instrument. So I just think that's rather wonderful. But there you go. Hope that's useful. Makes change from all the other crazy that's going on at the minute. So yeah. Here we go. Have fun and good luck.